Hey guys, my name is Matthew Zhang and welcome to my channel where I just do random things. And in this video, I'm going to show you all the steps I take before I do anything DIY, including the preparation, the design, the research. The project at hand is building a new couch, but the couch is not yet built and I want to make a video, so I'm making this video. Who knows when the couch is going to get built? The couch is probably going to get built next year, but this is still very educational stuff. I am a complete beginner at these DIY stuff, so if there are any professionals or someone that has done this before, let me know in the comments for my mistakes so I don't make them. Thank you so much. Step 1. Identifying the problem. Time to relax and watch some TV.
We should get a new couch. Our couch is not that cozy right now.
All jokes aside, our current couch is not in the best condition right now. It's a little worn down and it's not very comfortable. Step 2. Field testing or field evaluation. So we went to IKEA. I was going to buy a couch here anyways if I didn't build one, so why not test out which one I was going to buy? $18 inches tall. Do you like this one?
Yeah. This one's fine.
Okay, so 18 inches tall.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is the one on sale. But it's not very cozy. Look, my knee has some gap right here. So this is 19 across, and 15, 16 up. But it's on sale.
Attention IKEA customers. IKEA is closing in 45 minutes.
2
If you
feet.
require additional help with finalizing your shopping, please find the nearest coworker so that
Tall. It's sitting on the ground.
I like something taller than
This
this.
is sitting on the ground.
Yeah.
How deep though?
2 feet.
25 deep.
Yeah, that makes sense because why don't you take out the couch cushion?
Get this. Get this.
This one's good. I like this one. You just need to higher back a little bit.
So this is one of the ones we liked. So this has a 3 foot across, a seat of almost 2 feet, maybe more than 2 feet, and then a height of 18. So the key takeaway I got from this couch sitting was majority of the couches, they're all at 14 inches tall. And then just a matter of fact, the cushions, the cheaper cushions are 2 inches taller and the more expensive ones have 4 inches of cushion. So when you sit down, it goes to like 15 to 16 inches tall. We ended up deciding on a couch that we liked. So now it's just a waiting game of which comes first. Either I build this couch or it goes on sale on IKEA. With the measurements in hand, I came home and started step 3 or step 4, research and design. They are interchangeable, do them at the same time. That's why it's called R&D, research and design. So this is my first prototype design with my 2x4s, just a bunch of 2x4s of a sectional 72 inches wide and 22 inches tall. The problem with this is I forgot about cushions. So the height is just the height. I forgot to do cushions. I'm going to redo this with cushions. Okay. Outdoor. For the armrest, but I need the actual seat. 70 euros for one, 25 euros for the back, 30 euros for the middle, 25 euros for the back. Side, why is that one cheaper? Okay, what about US? I need dollars. Then I started looking up cushions. I tried to buy the IKEA couch cushions from IKEA, but then I found out they don't sell cushions. IKEA does not sell couch cushions because that's their marketing strategy. Why would you buy couch cushions when you can just go buy another new couch? That's how they make money. So foam order. Okay, you can do customized. And just buy some couch foam. 1 inch height. Now that's probably 4-inch height. So 4-inch height. Couch 24 times 72, that's all I need. And then I just stitch it up. How to sew. Facebook Marketplace. Sewing machine. Oh, brother. I didn't know brother made sewing machines. There's a lot near me. There are a lot of sewing machines. Let's go. This is the exact YouTube video I need. Upholstery method, how to make a box and welted cushion. Shout out to the workroom channel. Okay, so this is roughly what I have so far. I just extended the seat a little. And I also lowered the seat a little for the cushion because I'm using a 4-inch cushions. And the armrest is a little bit tall, 28 inches. I might add some cushions there, but I also like a tall armrest because I like sitting on the armrest. So I might add a support here, and then because sitting on the armrest is fun. Yeah, this is a pretty nice prototype. I'm gonna just get the measurements of wood and go to Home Depot to buy some 2x4s. So now it's time for step 5 to buy the materials. I have not done that yet because I'm going to first learn how to sew. Never sewed anything my entire life. I don't even have a sewing machine, so my parents probably have one. I can just go steal one from them. And then once I sewed a couple cushions, then I'm going to build a frame around the cushions. I'll probably change up my 3D design a little because it's easier to change things in wood than to sew because I'm more comfortable with woodworking. Sewing is a little tricky because I'm not experienced. By the way, if you're experienced in any of this, please let me know some tips and tricks. That is greatly appreciated. For everyone else, thank you for watching. Stay tuned on this couch building journey.